Finally, we traveled to Iran. We're at home at Isran and in a different neighborhood in a south of the neighborhood in Iran. It's very attractive. My family is here, and I really like this neighborhood because I grow around here. Today I start today with going to the bakery and buying something for my family. It's they call this Iranian usually call this Barbari, and it's very delicious. One of the delicious bread in Iran, and we really like it. So if you come here, to be sure that you taste this bread, and it's very delicious. There's different kind of the bakeries in Iran. It's not just one thing, it's got completely different some breads that usually foreigners from Iran have out of the Iran. It's the simple things, and all of the countries have them. With Iranian usually call them fantasy bread, but there is different kind of the bread: Barbari, Sangak, Taftoon, lavash, and some kind of the Khorasani, and they are completely different with different tastes. And I offer to you that we should taste all of them. It's really delicious. They usually eat those breads with everything in the meal, and especially for breakfast with some kind of cream, butter, traditional cheese, and something like that. Sure about it. And you can watch neighborhood here. This neighborhood is in the in the district 17, and as you see, there's lots of the trees there. And today is holiday because of the end of the Safar in Iran, because some religious reasons about Imam Hussein and thing like that. So it's very there isn't lots of the people here. As you can see, there is some kind of the ladder here around the alley. And one of the things that is important in Iran is not necessarily paying for car parking, and just special place that is necessary you pay for car parking, but there isn't necessary, and you can enjoy it without any payments. However, living in Tehran is really simple, and it's not very cheap, and it's not very expensive in front of the other countries like Dubai and other countries in European or USA. That's all. It's for today. It's our finish of the today video. See you later, and take video, Iran. Bye.